Okay. Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So I literally just got back from North Carolina, like legit, like haven't unpacked. This is like what I wore in the car. Love that for me. I've decided that I'm going to dye my hair blue. As you can see, my hair is still blue at the moment. Like I got it done at a salon. I mean, I like it, and it like faded like decently, I guess. Like it's a light blue, but it has like a lot of green in it. And I still have a lot of blonde, like she didn't dye all of it. And I'm just thinking I need to just dye it all blue. So, went to Sally's, got hair dye, went to Chipotle, got Chipotle, and when I'm done with this, we're gonna dye my hair blue. Great, I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I have to redo everything I just showed. So we have my blue dye, the Manic Panic Voodoo Blue. I have some white conditioner. Turns out I don't have a brush, which is fantastic. So I have to use this popsicle stick. Now this has a little story behind it. It was just in my wallet for about 6 months, I don't know. I went to Disney and I got one of those Mickey things and I just put it in my wallet, and now I'm using it to mix my hair dye. That's my story time. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. You know, I didn't even check on my YouTube channel for about like 3-4 months, I don't know, since I posted. And then I go back 2 days ago and I have way more views than I need on probably the dumbest video I've ever made in my whole entire life. That needs to not happen ever again, so I need to not like post dumb videos, I guess. Oh! She is so blue. She is blue. She is a blue. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god, my mother is going to hate me. She's going to literally, she's gonna murk me. Oh no. I feel like it's a sign that I shouldn't be doing this. Let's do it. So here's part of the spilled stuff that I just like put in there. We love that for us. Cause that's so pretty. Oh my god. I don't know if I should make it lighter. So apparently I have to keep this on for 2 hours, which is quite terrifying. But that's alright. We're okay with that. We're totally fine with that. Why not? Why not? Oh my god, I'm doing it. Oh god. I feel dumb. I feel like it would have been way smarter to like go up top first, but I'm leaving it in for like 2 hours anyways, so I guess it doesn't matter that much. Oh, that looks horrific. I don't know about any of y'all. we're kind of almost there. So I gotta wash this out with cool water in 2 hours. My hair will be even more blue than it was before. It wasn't that blue before, so. We are moving along. Mom! My hair's blue! She said, no! So, I will be back with an update. So, I just washed it out, and I don't hate it. I mean, like, it's a lot more green than I thought it would be. I think it's really cute, and it's gonna be even cuter when I dry it, so. So, here is the finished product. I am honestly so obsessed with it. It's so pretty. It's not, listen, it's not completely even, but I think it's just because I had like a lot of blonde in it still. I mean, it feels really healthy. I had, where is it? It's Nyan After Color Sealer. So that helped, I think. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm very happy with the way that it turned out. I have speed bucket. Billie Eilish who? Hey, what's up? That is the end of this video. Sitting on my toilet for my outro. Love it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've made it this far somehow, but I will be posting way more. Like, comment, subscribe to get more content from me. Don't know why you would, but it's fine. Mwah! Love you.